everyone, welcome back to Nuvoton's channel. I'm the product manager of 8-bit microcontroller, Jenny. Today, I'm going to show you our successful story, home automation with the tubular motor, which adopts our latest industrial microcontroller, ML51 series. Let's talk about the automation and motorization system for curtains and doors. These tubular motors are easily seen everywhere, like curtains, garage doors, and automatic clothes racks. As the concept of the home automation is spreading widely, those products become more and more popular. For example, automatic curtains are widely used in hospitals, hotels, new buildings, and new stores. The lazy economy becomes a new type of consumer demand. People pursue a time-saving and labor-saving products. Imagine if you have an emitter to control current automatically and smart adjustments based on the outdoor brightness. And the new products hit the shelf is automatic clothes rack. Now, this new product is not only a hanger, but also integrated with UV light disinfection, heating function, and fan control. About the garage door, now it's integrated more safety functions, such as overcurrent protection for device longevity. Infrared system can be added to increase anti-pinch safety function. All of the tubular motors applications I mentioned can be accomplished by Nuvoton's new industrial 8-bit microcontroller, ML51 series. Nuvoton provides complete platform ML51 series for different needs of tubular motors. It's based on 1T8051 core, running up to 24 MHz core speed. It provides 12-bit ADC detecting motor current and up to 2 sets of analog comparators for overcurrent and overvoltage protection. Much higher safety features for the tubular motors are realized. ML51 series also provides from 1.8 volt to 5.5 volt power supply, so the AC power or the battery powers can work as the power sources. This series has up to 105-degree high temperature resistance, which makes it suitable for control box exposed outdoors. As for the multiple noise and interference environments, ML51 series provides strong immunity, like 8 kV ESD and 4.4 kV EFT. It provides an easy-to-use development environment, including development board, programmers, debugger, BSP, and sample code. Those tools can help you shorten your development cycles. On the backside of each development board, you can find the website, which the comprehensive information is available. If you're thinking the possibility of tubular motors, Nuvoton already has some successful cases in China and Europe. Feel free to contact us to evaluate your product designs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment if you have any thoughts. The ML51 development boards are now available at Nuvoton official e-store, direct.nuvoton.com. Thank you again for staying with us. Hope to see you soon. Bye!